Hello there, Escambia County Public Schools. Let's get to know the suite of rich text editing features in Focus, designed to enhance your experience and empower you to create messages, templates, and announcements with ease and efficiency. When you're in your communication module and you're on your Compose screen, you're going to see that rich text editor. These features are going to help streamline your workflow, saying goodbye to tedious formatting and hello to effortless creation. Let me show you what I mean by utilizing a template in Focus. This is an example of something that may be sent through our communication module. This template already has fields inserted. Fields are located here. Clicking this button brings up this screen. You do have the ability to search fields now, so I'm going to click Keep this window open because I want to insert multiple fields in this template to give it some more personalization. So I'm going to go ahead and filter for my primary contact's title, and everything with primary contact is going to appear. Now I'm going to click User Fields because I want my school name, and I also want the current date and current time. So I'm going to go ahead and click Done. And now I can see that all of those new fields have been inserted right here. That's where my cursor was. But now I can move my fields easily. This title is going to go right here. My school name, underneath my principal name. I'm going to take my current date and insert it here, as well as my current time. And then I can make any edits that I see fit. At any point in time, if I want to preview this, as long as I have my student selected, I can click this preview button, and it's going to generate this letter for me. That way I can review it before I send it. Here I have a different example to showcase some of our other features. Let's start with Find and Replace. Click this icon here. This box will appear. I want to find the name Cora and change it to Mary for our winter storm. Click Find, and now Cora is highlighted. I'm going to replace it with Mary. Click my Replace button, and it's done. If I need to undo, click your Undo button. You'll see that Cora is back, and you can redo and then exit. I can also insert special characters by clicking this. We have different categories here in our drop-down. If I want to highlight any sort of special text, I can change my highlight color by clicking the caret. And then all I have to do is highlight the text that I want, click my highlighter, and it's going to appear. If I need to delineate, I can click and then click the line. I also have the ability to edit tables. I can insert them quickly and then edit them even faster with different options here. As I continue to work and scroll to the bottom, you're going to notice that your rich text editor stays at the top, so your functionality will always be at your fingertips. If you need to change a link, highlight and then click your link button. Even faster is the ability to auto-link. If I want to add an email address here at the bottom, I can type and then click Enter, and it'll automatically turn blue to link. The rich text editor in your Focus communication module. Give it a try today. Thank you so much for joining the student data team for this Byte of Tech. Be sure to check out our recommended video that's here and fill out our content request form so we keep making videos that are just for you, because we're all in.